know I said it, now you should have been peeped. I feel it in my soul, yeah, so deep. So deep, you should know that about me. I just told you. But you giving me
Hey guys, it's Jada. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a flip over quick weave tutorial. I did go to the hair store prior to this because I had to get a couple things, which were pantyhose, stocking caps, and bundles of hair. You're also going to need the hair protectant, the glue, the hair glue, which I showed you guys later on in the video. Okay, so now I'm starting to part out my leave out, and since it's a flip over quick weave, I'm just going to take the very front section out, and once I do that, I'm just going to braid it out the waist. Because I want this to be like a versatile quick weave, I took out here in the back, and I'm also gonna, you guys are gonna see me braid it. Don't mind my hair, it's like actually really damaged in the back because I bleached it and I just don't know what to do with it now, so just don't mind that. Now that I sectioned off my leave out part, I'm gonna start braiding down the rest of my hair, just all the way back. Okay, so now that I'm done braiding back my hair, I'm gonna just oil my scalp very lightly because you don't want, when you put the hair protectant on, the cap is gonna slip back because of the oil, so I just try to oil my scalp very lightly. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on both of the stocking caps. I'm just trying to stretch it out, and then I'm just gonna outline my leave out part with I don't know, like a white chalk pencil. Doesn't really matter.
Just hung up the phone and I could already tell that you come here home intoxicated. Ooh, so you better take your time.
Now I'm gonna go in with my Got2b spray, and I'm just gonna spray everywhere inside the white lines, and I'm just gonna blow dry till it's dry.
Wouldn't even talk to me. No. Say I'm so crazy, baby. I'm so crazy. I wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys.
Once that's dry, I'm gonna take my hair protectant, and I don't have any gloves, so I'm kind of doing it the getaway, and I'm using a plastic bag because I don't want it to get all over my nails. But basically, I'm as y'all can see, I'm very generous with it, so I'm just gonna put it everywhere inside the white lines. Try not to get it on your leave out or past those white lines, but do make sure that you put enough around your hair so that the glue doesn't seep through and touch your hair.
The sky, up all night just dancing. Oh, I hit you like, please come home to me. Come home to me. But you're not understanding. No. So baby, beg, baby, please, please. I wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys. I just figured you could make time for me.
Okay, so now you guys see me unraveling the hair. This hair is synthetic. As y'all can see, I was really struggling to like open it, so I had to like brush it out and like re-detangle everything. But yeah, and also the brand of hair that I use is organic or organic, something like that. And I'm just measuring the pieces of the bundle so it can fit around my head perfectly. And then after I measure it, I'm just gonna put glue right on the track, and then I'm just gonna glue it on. And then when you do that, you're gonna want to blow dry for like 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after the first bundle is done. As you can see, I'm opening up the second pack, and then this is when I finish my whole head. Yeah, so that's what the hair looks like now, and then I'm gonna just cut the cap. And you're gonna cut as close to the bundles as you possibly can, but don't cut the bundles or your hair. Okay, so this part is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just gonna put some heat protectant around my hair, and then I'm just gonna flat iron. And then here you guys see me cutting layers in the hair just to make it look more natural and blend in with my hair better. And then this is the next day. I'm just showing you guys how I do my edges. I use Got2b, both the spray and the gel. Now I'm just combing on my edges and basically just doing them for you guys so you guys can see what I do. Also, if you guys are wondering what's on my head, that's the pantyhose. I seen this thing on TikTok where they used it to like keep the curls intact or the hair intact while you sleep, and I'm just showing you guys how I take it off. And then now I'm just trying to find a little hairstyle. I honestly didn't end up liking this hairstyle. I was trying to like it, but I did not, so then I took it out. Now I'm just kind of like refreshing it a little bit. This is like a couple days after. Just gonna brush through the hair, and I'm just gonna try to style it. I end up curling the hair, which you guys are gonna see later on. once I finish curling, I just kind of finger detangle through my hair so that most of the curls are still there and not brushed out. And the little trashy ends, I just recurl them. And yeah guys, that's pretty much all of the tutorial. You guys don't have to curl your hair, of course. You guys can straighten it. There's many other styles you can do with this hair. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my social medias, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bag it up.